Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, all of you.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Okay, so
Good evening, sir.
good evening. Good evening, everybody. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now, so am I properly visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So now we are supposed to start now. You all must be you all must be ready for the classes. So now 13 students have been connected with us. Is there anybody who's, let me see. Okay, so start following me first of all right, as we have discussed upon so many of the things, and I have just sent the previous and before yesterday's videos in the through the YouTube channel, and I just expect from you to subscribe this channel to get the updates continuously. Now just we are supposed to get ready for this, all of you. Good evening, good evening to all of you. So follow me up. First of all, you all will try to follow me up. Do the practice with me first. just of all whatever we can speak to get the warm up. Okay, mouth warm up. You can say you have to continue mouth exercise with me. So, are you all set for this?
Yes,
All right.
sir.
Okay. So, okay. So yesterday I went to Delhi. Who did you go to Delhi with? Why did you go to Delhi? I went to Delhi to meet my sister. How did you go to Delhi? I went to Delhi by bus. Okay. So are you reading the newspaper daily? Yes, I'm reading the newspaper daily. Do you find it any difficulties to read the newspaper? Do you find it any difficulties to read the newspaper? Sometimes I find it difficulties to read the newspaper. Does any of your acquaintance put up at Delhi? Does any of your acquaintance put up at Delhi? Does any of your acquaintances put up at Delhi? Does any of your acquaintances put up at Delhi? Yes, one of my acquaintances put up at Delhi. Acquaintances, परिचित. क्या तुम्हारा दिल्ली में कोई परिचित रहता है? क्या तुम्हारा कोई आगरा में परिचित रहता है? ओके. क्या तुम्हारा कोई दिल्ली में, अमेरिका में, कोई यूएसए में रहता है कोई जानने वाला? परिचित मींस जानने वाला. ओके. मेरा एक अमेरिका में जानने वाला रहता है. तो मेरे एक अमेरिका में बोलते कैसे हैं हिंदी में जनरली कि मेरा एक अमेरिका में जानने वाला है. ओके. मेरा एक दिल्ली में जानने वाला है. यदि आपको जब दिल्ली जाओगे तो आप उनसे मिल लीजिएगा, वो आपको हेल्प करेगा. सो वन ऑफ माय एक्वाइंटेंसेस पुट अप एट दिल्ली. सो इफ यू हैपन टू गो टू दिल्ली, यदि आपको दिल्ली जाना हो, इफ यू हैपन टू गो टू दिल्ली, यदि आपका दिल्ली जाना हो, if you happen to go to Delhi, you may have a contact with him. You may, okay. So you may have a contact. You may do that. You may contact with him. Okay. I'll give you his contact number. So if you happen to go to the market, could you please bring me 1 glass of juice? यदि आपका मार्केट में जाना हो, यदि आपका मार्केट में जाना हो तो कृपया करके मेरे लिए जूस ले आएंगे. यदि आप मार्केट जा रहे हो, यदि मार्केट में जाना हो रहा है आपका, if you happen to go to market, so can you please bring me the fruits if you happen to go to Delhi, if you happen to go to market. Okay, like this you will be using this. Okay, so so he is in the habit of doing the bargaining. Are you in the habit of doing the bargaining? मुझे बार्गेनिंग करने की आदत नहीं है. I am not in the habit of doing the bargaining. कुछ लोगों को बहुत बुरी आदत होती है बार्गेनिंग करने की. Some of the people are in the habit of doing the bargaining. Some of the people are in the habit of doing the bargaining. You know, I want to say one thing is that try to complete the session. Many of the students generally what happens, they switch very soon. या तो उनके पास कोई बहाना मिल जाता है कि सर हमारा नेटवर्क इश्यू है, इसलिए वो नॉर्मली जल्दी चले जाते हैं ग्रुप में से. So I'm saying to all of you to keep in touch with me, continue till the end of the session. Okay, so do not try to be away from the group before the session, I mean before the timing. So it happens many of the time कि आप it shows your negligence of your learning speaking English, means कि यदि आप अपना फेस को भी हाइड किया हुआ है, तो मुझे ये उम्मीद लगती है कि आप, जाहिर सी बात है कि यू आर नॉट इन द प्रेजेंट इन द क्लास. So that means sometimes it can be issue, but not always be. If your mobile is having the camera, it means you can open your face, right?
Sir, can I speak?
Yeah.
मतलब क्वेश्चन है ये, does any of your acquaintance Delhi? तो मतलब हम बोलेंगे yes, I put up acquaintance Delhi.
No. Does any of your acquaintances put up at Delhi? Yeah.
Yes.
One of my acquaintances, मेरा एक है जानने वाला, one of my acquaintances puts up at puts, क्योंकि यहाँ हम एक की बात कर रहे हैं तो puts आ रहा है. All right, puts up at Delhi.
Yes.
Yeah, a lot of my acquaintances put up at Delhi. Okay, मेरे बहुत सारे परिचित रहते हैं दिल्ली के अंदर. A lot of my acquaintances put up at Delhi. मेरी दिल्ली में कोई भी जानने वाला नहीं रहता है. None of my acquaintances. None of my. Try to speak with me here. Many of the time we have to speak. What actually I have been teaching you is that only that which is being useful in a common life. That is why you must use such type of phrases into your regular life. If suppose when I came to the Khatima, Uttarakhand first time, none of my acquaintance was in Delhi, it was in Khatima. Okay, जब मैं खटीमा में पहली बार आया था तो मेरा कोई जानने वाला नहीं था खटीमा में. One of my acquaintance, none of my acquaintance was in Khatima, Udham Srinagar when I reached in Khatima first time in my life. Okay, so क्या तुम्हारा मुंबई में जानने वाले रहते हैं? तो does any of, कोई जानने वाला है आपका? क्या इस हॉस्पिटल में कोई जानने वाला है आपका? Is any of your acquaintance in this hospital? ऐसे भी कहते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ रहने की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पर करते हैं हम कि is any of your acquaintance, is any of your acquaintances in Mumbai in this hospital, in this, अब हॉस्पिटल का नाम बता सकते हैं. Is any of your acquaintances, is any of your acquaintances in this hospital? क्या इस हॉस्पिटल में तुम्हारा कोई जानने वाला है? क्या फोर्टीज में कोई आपका जानने वाला है? क्या एम्स में कोई आपका जानने वाला है? क्या इस स्कूल में कोई आपका जानने वाला है? Is any of your acquaintances in this school? Is any of your acquaintances in this school? None of my acquaintances in this school. क्या तुम्हारे कोई रिलेटिव्स, कोई तुम्हारे रिश्तेदार कोई रहता है आगरा में? Does any of your relatives, okay,
So does any your relative
Excuse me, sir.
Does any of your relative?
Does any of your relative in Agra?
Does any of your relatives are there in Agra?
Okay. So none of my acquaintances is in this hospital. None of my relatives live in Khatuma, live in Chandigarh. One of my acquaintances. Okay. Is any of your acquaintance, is any of your relatives, is any of your friend? क्या तुम्हारा कोई दोस्त, क्या तुम्हारा कोई जानने वाला, is any of your friends, क्या तुम्हारा कोई जानने वाला है? Okay, like this. Okay, so I used to travel in the bus. I don't like traveling in the bus. He has invited me in his party. Speak, everyone. He invited me on his birthday. Do you invite your friends on your birthday? I want to attend his party, but I can't. I want to attend his party, but I can't attend the party. Everyone will try to speak with me. I want to attend his party, but I can't attend the party because I am too busy with my work. I cannot spare the time for going in the party. I cannot. जो बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा है वही सीख रहा है. Okay, means to say कि you may feel sometimes that we can speak, but it becomes very difficult. It happens many of the time when you just get a chance to speak something. Generally, what happens कि you write on the notebooks, or you just note on the notebooks and then you cram it and then you speak it. But it is not the solution only. Generally, what happens कि जब आपको मौका मिलता है बात करने का इंग्लिश में तो आप काम चलाओ इंग्लिश में बोल लेते हैं, लेकिन if you could get a chance to speak in front of anybody, you find it so difficult to speak. So means to say because of, and what happens कि जब आप किसी टॉपिक दिया जाता है, उस टॉपिक को क्या करते हैं, या तो आप किसी नेट से चुरा करके आप कॉपी पर डाल देते हैं और उसको फिर रट्टा मारते हैं, और उसके बाद आप प्रेजेंटेशन देते हैं, चाहे वो स्कूल्स में देते हो चाहे वो किसी के सामने देते हो. तो व्हाट हैपेंस कि आप कंटेंट्स लेकर के अपने नॉलेज को एक्सप्रेस करना होता है इंडिपेंडेंटली, नॉट जस्ट लाइक ओनली दैट वे टू जस्ट टू क्रेम इट ओनली. तो क्रैमिंग लैंग्वेज नहीं सीखनी है आपको, आई मीन रटी रटाई लैंग्वेज नहीं सीखनी है. रटना तो होता ही है, लेकिन हमें सिचुएशनली बात करनी आनी चाहिए. वी मस्ट नो हाउ टू टॉक in that particular moments, on which topic we are just talking and what is our concepts to speak. That time you must be able to use the correct phrases while speaking, not only the temporary phrases. Miss काम चलाओ phrases से काम नहीं चलाना होता है. You have to just speak so confidently and with the full confidence, with the proper pronunciation and with the proper, क्योंकि यदि आप मेरे को फॉलो कर रहे हैं तो आप अपने साथ में प्रोनाउंसिएशन को भी सही कर रहे हैं. I have seen many of the time that you speak like such type of things, like you ask me pronounce if we say, जैसे suppose question, आप जनरली बोलते क्या है, क्वेश्चन. ये क्वेश्चन कुछ नहीं होता है, क्वेश्चन कुछ नहीं होता है. Nothing we say, like many of the time you raise even this कि sir what is this, कि I have a question sir, I have a question, question. Many of the time it happens ki how you are pronouncing these words. Any one of you who will pronounce this right now? If I ask from any one of you, I ask from Lakshmi beta, how to pronounce this word?
I always pronounce this question.
Yeah, question. Question. All right, next. Rashmi,
Question.
question. Okay. Prisha,
Question.
okay. Chaman, what is the
Sir, question.
yes. Nira.
Sir, question.
Okay, I'm saying you that this is how to pronounce this word like simply. कि अभी कुछ नहीं तो थोड़ा सही बोलने की कोशिश करिए. Some of the students try to speak well. Question, you know, if I just write on the notebook on the board like in Hindi, like this is called question. All right. Here we are using this question. Now you feel it. Okay, why we are using this? Question, not question, not question. Question नहीं बोलेंगे. Actually, this is a way to say that ये जवाब आवाज तो निकालता है शन की. You know, it sounds शन, but जब s जुड़ जाता है इसके साथ में तो बन जाता है question. Okay, it becomes question. So we have to pronounce many times. Do you have any question? Do you have any question? Yes, I have a question. Not like this कि I have a question. I have a question. तो question नहीं होता है, sun नहीं होता है, question. चाहे इसमें जुड़ जाता है question. Okay, do you have any question? I have a question. I don't have any question. If you have any question, you may ask. Ask. नहीं, ask. You may ask. Ask बोलते हैं बहुत से लोग. Ask. पूरा मुंह नहीं खोलना. Ask. You may ask this question. All right. Okay. Do you have any question? Suggestion. Same. Okay. You'll remember these points. If you want
Sir,
to
in suggestion, it will be shan only or chan?
sin. See. P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N. This is called position, you know, position. All right, very simple. Okay. Here. Now, 10. Situation, S-I-T-U-A-T-I-O-N. This is called situation. It's very simple. Situation. Situation. All right. Here we are using simply. Shun. All right. Now, if we are saying like this, again, S-U. What is this? Are you getting this whole lot? Are you getting? Should I write some a large? S-U. Spelling क्या suggestion की? Suggestion. Okay. S-U.
Double G
G.
T-S-T.
Okay.
A-S-T-I-O-N.
All right.
Suggestion.
If we pronounce like this is, we have to say.
Suggestion. Yes, sir. Is it suggestion?
Sir, as you told, if before shan, it will means S is there, so it will be shachan. So here it is there, but we are pronouncing it shan only, suggestion.
Yeah, wrong. That's why I'm written wrong. We have to say suggest, right? Because in this sun, what is coming actually? S is coming.
Sir, so we will pronounce it like suggestion.
Yeah. Suggestion. Do you have any suggestion? Do you have any suggestion? Do you have any question? Yes, I have a question. I don't have any suggestion. If you have any suggestions, so please welcome. Welcome. We welcome your suggestion. We welcome your suggestion. Welcome. Okay. So we have to find such type of mistakes in us while speaking, when we make many time mistakes in our pronunciation by using like suggestion, not suggestion, not suggestion. This is called suggestion. Okay. So get ready for understanding like suggestion. I have a lot of suggestion for you all. So I am removing this all. Should I remove it? Now. So
So position, suggestion, competition.
competition, yeah.
Is it right?
Yeah, it's
Is
right.
it right, sir?
It's right, completely right.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Now, we eat. Spelling is correct or not? What is this?
Vegetable.
Vegetable.
Okay. This is called
Table.
okay. If we pronounce table individually, we have to say table. Okay. If T-A-B-L-E individually, if we are pronouncing, this is called table. But if the suffix is coming with this prefix, then we have to say it becomes double. Vegetable. Vegetable. Not table. Not table. It becomes double. Vegetable. Vegetable. Not vegetable. Not vegetable. This is called vegetable.
Vegetable.
Okay.
Vegetable.
What is this?
Comfortable.
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 Not table. This is called comfortable. Comfortable. Okay. Portable. Portable. Not portable.
Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Portable.
Portable. Okay.
Portable.
Vegetable.
Vegetable.
Okay. This is called. Okay. Next.
Sir, horrible.
Horrible. Yeah. Horrible. Okay. I'll just tell you so many of the words like now here. What it is?
Signature.
Yeah.
So
Signature.
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 If we pronounce this, this is called nature. This is called nature. This is called nature.
Signature.
This is called nature. This is
Nature.
called nature.
Nature.
But
Nature.
Nature.
if sig attached with the nature becomes nature, not nature.
Nature.
It becomes nature. Signature, not signature.
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 Signature. Signature.
I know.
All
Okay,
right.
sir.
Signature. Furniture. Okay. Furniture. Next, finally. Okay, I want to say one thing more. When you just, I'm telling to those new students, if our, if it becomes and in the middle of the session, यदि 20 session में यदि ये 40 minutes complete होने के बाद it becomes automatic and. So you will again go to the link and touch and again continue. Okay. Now, next. Yes, Sazia.
Develop.
Yeah, Sazia, yeah.
So develop,
Develop.
I think.
Lakshmi.
Sir, develop.
Kashika.
Develop.
Sir, develop.
Okay. Nira.
Develop.
Chaman.
Sir, develop.
Yeah.
Sir, develop.
Okay. So next, Prisha, Anshima.
Sir, develop.
Okay. Rachna,
Develop.
Rashmi.
Develop.
Okay.
Develop.
Kashish is present here or not? Kashish,
Develop.
why did the Kashish go? Where is the Kashish? I will have to handle her personally, would be fine. Yeah. Yesterday also she again went away. Okay.
Develop.
Okay, yeah, Bharji. Develop. Okay. Now almost everyone is making mistakes through by pronouncing this word like develop, develop. But I'm saying you, if you pronounce this word like develop, develop,
Develop.
develop, okay, well, you op को करेंगे up, मान लीजिए बोलने में we are pronouncing like this. Okay. D, well, up. How would you pronounce? How would you pronounce?
Develop.
But sir, when it will come E with the D, so it will sound not D.
Here, what we have pronounced like that, develop, 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 development.
But sir, why we pronounce with D?
Actually, I'm saying you, actually each and every word contains some syllable, you know. यदि हम वर्ड्स के तह तक जाते हैं, जैसे हम कहते हैं कि कोई भी बात कुछ सेंटेंसों से मिलकर के बनी होती है, पैराग्राफ से मिलकर के बनी होती है, कोई भी डिस्कशन और कोई भी पैराग्राफ सेंटेंसों से मिलकर के बना होता है, और कोई भी सेंटेंसेस एक सेंटेंस से मिलकर बना होता है, और कोई भी एक सेंटेंस कई वर्ड से मिलकर बना होता है, और कोई भी एक वर्ड सिलेबल से बना होता है। क्या कहने का मतलब कि एक वर्ड को हम तोड़ सकते हैं अलग अलग भागों में, एक वर्ड को हम 2 भागों में, 3 भागों में, 4 भागों में तोड़ सकते हैं, डिपेंड करता है कि वो वर्ड कैसा है। वो वर्ड जैसे सपोज ये 3, इसमें 3 सिलेबल हैं, हम इस 3 भागों में इसको तोड़ सकते हैं। वी कैन डिवाइड दिस इनटू द 3 सिलेबल। तो डी वेल अप, डी वेल अप, अब डिपेंड करता है कि डिवेलप, ये हम डी इसको हम प्रोनाउंस कर रहे हैं, लेकिन डिवेलप आई मीन डिवेलप, तो यहाँ पर कंप्लीटली डी नहीं आ रहा है, ये हमने डी बोल दिया है ताकि आपका टंग जो है सेट हो जाए बोलने के लिए। डिवेलप, डिवेलप, development, not development. Develop is completely wrong way to pronounce anyway, but we listen generally many of the times from our teachers. Even teachers also were learning from their own teachers, so that is why we have been speaking in that flows wherever all the people are using, which are connected with us. Actually the thing is this, but what is the correct pronunciation of using this word like develop, not develop? It's not a develop, this is called development.
Also, it will be development.
Yeah, month, not meant. Development. Okay. So we have been providing the classes of personality development, not development. Many of the time the pupils are speaking in English, but it seems to be the Hindi. बहुत से लोग इंग्लिश बोलते हैं लेकिन उनके अंदर से हिंदी झलकती है because of having the pronunciation which are related to the Hindi. So the main thing, this is the standard way of learning कि हम इंग्लिश के जो स्टैंडर्ड के नजदीक यदि हम पहुंचते हैं तो that we have to know कि इसको हम, कुछ लोग इसी को हम कह देते हैं कि ये स्टाइल वाली लैंग्वेज है. स्टाइल वाली लैंग्वेज नहीं है, इट इज द करेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन एक्चुअली. तो कोई आपको टोके इससे बेहतर है कि आप अपने आप को सही कर लें. तो डेवलपमेंट, डेवलप, राइट, डेवलपमेंट, you need the development. We all need to develop our personality. So these all are the things: development, vegetable, signature. Okay. Student or student, not dant. You know, मेरा कहने का मतलब यह है कि यदि दो सिलेबल हैं और वो नाउन है, यदि दो सिलेबल वाला कोई वर्ड है, और वो नाउन है, तो जो नाउन का जो सेकंड वाला सिलेबल है उसमें वो जो क्या हो जाता है, उसमें स्ट्रेस कम देते हैं. लेकिन हम क्या देते हैं, पूरा स्ट्रेस दे देते हैं. जैसे you know what to say, what was saying about which word I'm taking?
Student.
Yeah, student नहीं बोलते हैं, student बोलेंगे. Student. Okay.
हाँ, student बोलेंगे.
Student.
Sir,
Okay,
student. Sir,
Yeah.
student.
हाँ, student. Yeah. How many
नहीं
students are?
सर, जैसे खींच देते हैं ना तो डेंट हो जाता है वो.
हाँ,
student होगा.
दो नाउन का सेकंड सिलेबल है, उसको इसमें
हाँ जी.
स्ट्रेस कम देते हैं, उसको ऐसे बोलते हैं बहुत कम आवाज में, you know. तो you know, यदि हमारी फर्स्ट सिलेबल है, ये सेकंड सिलेबल है, तो सेकंड वाली सिलेबल को थोड़ा छोटा बोलेंगे, कम बोलेंगे, राइट, कम साउंड होगा उसका. तो स्टूडेंट, नॉट स्टूडेंट, हम खींच देते हैं. जैसे डॉक्टर, तो डॉक्टर में क्या होता है कि बहुत से लोग इसमें दो सिलेबल हैं डॉक्टर में, तो डॉक्टर, लेकिन बहुत से लोग क्या करते हैं, डॉग को छोटा कर देते हैं और टर को जोर से बोल देते हैं, डॉक्टर. तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे उस बंदे में क्या नहीं है, एटिकेट्स नहीं है, मैनर्स नहीं है, जैसे वो जबरदस्ती बुला रहा हो. ओके, लेकिन बोलना कैसे चाहिए, डॉक्टर. तो टर को थोड़ा दबाते हैं. ओके, साउंड उसका थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेस उसमें कम देंगे. डॉक्टर, एक डॉक्टर. टीचर, तो टीचर नहीं बोलेंगे, टीचर. जो टा साउंड है टी वाला, उसको थोड़ा ज्यादा बोलेंगे और चर को थोड़ा सा कम बोलेंगे, क्योंकि सेकंड सिलेबल में जो सेकंड सिलेबल नाउन का, तो उसमें स्ट्रेस कम देते हैं. तो टीचर, डॉक्टर. ओके, सो लाइक दिस. सो यहाँ पर डेवलप में अब ये देखिए, डेवलप, अब हम बात करते हैं डेवलप की. इसमें 3 सिलेबल हैं, और जिसमें 3 सिलेबल हैं, यदि हम उसका ग्राफ बनाएंगे तो उसका ग्राफ ऐसा आएगा, ऐसे. मींस फर्स्ट सिलेबल, ये फर्स्ट सिलेबल है, सेकंड सिलेबल और थर्ड सिलेबल. ओके, तो जो फर्स्ट वाला है उसको कम बोलेंगे, लास्ट वाले को कम बोलेंगे, बीच वाले को थोड़ा उठा के बोलेंगे. डेवलप, यहां ये हो जाएगा डी वेल अप, तो ऑटोमेटिक साउंड अच्छी आ जाएगी. डेवलप, वेल